Welcome to Paradise Valley, where extraordinary homes exist in a category of their own, and this one proves it. Set on a quiet cul-de-sac in one of Arizona's most exclusive luxury markets, this custom estate was designed for the buyer who wants more than square footage, more than finish quality, more than a nice address. This is the kind of home people remember. From the moment you step inside, the architecture makes its point. The main living space is defined by vaulted gable detailing, natural light pouring in through dormer windows, rift white oak cabinetry, and a custom fireplace that anchors the room without overwhelming it. Then the full western door system opens the entire space to the backyard, creating that seamless indoor-outdoor flow luxury buyers want, but rarely get this well. The kitchen deserves its own moment. Barrel-vaulted ceilings, custom lighting, dual stone islands, bespoke cabinetry, Wolf and SubZero appliances, and an oversized scullery that gives you the kind of functional back-of-house space most homes at any price point simply do not offer. That matters because truly great luxury homes are not just built to impress. They are built to work. As you move through the home, arched hallways finished in Roman clay create warmth, texture, and continuity. The formal dining room features a custom wine wall, while the morning room opens directly to the outdoor kitchen, making entertaining feel natural instead of staged. And this home keeps delivering. There is a dedicated office, a glass-lined workout room, and a large game room with direct access to the pool and outdoor living areas. In other words, the layout was designed for real life, not just photos. The primary wing is exactly where luxury and privacy come together. The bath feels like a private spa, with dual vanities, a soaking tub, an oversized walk-in shower, separate his and hers closets, dual water closets, and even a secondary laundry. On the opposite side of the home, the ensuite secondary bedrooms are positioned for comfort and separation. Outside, the lifestyle gets even better. A covered patio, large pool and spa, and a private pickleball court turn the backyard into a true retreat. And the detached two-bedroom, two-bath guest house, complete with its own living area and kitchenette, adds flexibility for guests, extended stays, or multi-generational living. Here is the truth about homes like this. Most people will never get the chance to walk through one in person. That is exactly why properties like this create attention. They are scarce, they are aspirational, and when they are represented correctly, they do more than attract buyers. They attract trust. If you want access to unique luxury homes in Paradise Valley, Scottsdale, and beyond, follow Michael Hankerson with Hankerson Team Luxury Division. Because in luxury real estate, access matters. Strategy matters, and who you work with matters even more. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a private tour of this home, please feel free to reach out to Michael Hankerson by phone or text at 602-770-7205. Thanks, and have a great day.